How to remove Bing from Microsoft Edge. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can swap Bing for any other search engine in Microsoft Edge. By default, Bing is the default search engine in Microsoft Edge web browser. If you do not prefer Bing, there are other options that you can choose from. You can easily swap out Bing with any other search engine such as Yahoo or Google. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to open the Microsoft Edge in your PC or laptop. Once you have opened it, click on the three dots at the top of your screen and from there select Settings. Once you're on your settings, from the left-hand side, you want to select the option of Privacy, Search and Services. There, you will find different options. Scroll down and under the topic of Services, you will find the option of Address Bar and Search. Click on that option. Once you click on it, you have the option of Search Engine used in Address Bar. From the drop-down, you want to select your preferred search engine. I'm going to select Google in this video. Once you have selected it, you can now restart your Microsoft Edge browser and then your default search engine will be Google from now on. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.